Hello friends, welcome to Info Talks. As you all know that we are currently running our series in which we are teaching how to create a website through WordPress, which is set up WordPress blog in 5 easy steps. So first step we have already done through our previous video. If you have not seen that video, I will give the link in the I button and also in the detail section. You can go and see the video first, because in that video you will know how to install WordPress, and this is the step 2 video where we'll be seeing how to install WordPress theme and customize it. So setup of WordPress theme is a topic, and also if you have not taken the ebook, so please go fast and take that ebook from detail section. We have placed the link because in the ebook everything is explained in detail. Every detail can't be shared over a video. Many things you have to copy paste. The links are there available in the ebook. So now we'll start with setup of WordPress theme. So in the last video we have seen that we installed WordPress and we just got a default theme installed which was looking like this. Now we will see how to install a different theme. So as you can see, there is an option appearance here. In appearance there is another option, that is themes. If I click on themes, I'll get the same window as it is here, and currently this theme is enabled, so it is showing customize button. If I focus to another theme, it will show me live preview and activate. This means this theme is not installed. I can click on live preview to see the live preview, how the theme looks like before selecting the theme, or if I have decided, then I can click on activate, then it will take place of this theme. So I'll just do a demo for you. I'll click this theme, activate, and within few seconds this theme is installed. Now customize button is switched over here and this theme is not here. Now we'll see what effect is there on the website. So now you can see that the website theme has changed completely from the theme which I selected. So these are the themes which are defaultly available, and if you don't want this theme, you want some different theme for according to your business or your website or blog, click on add new. Add new option will give you a list of themes which are available, featured themes, popular, latest, favorite. You can search from theme name as well. I'll suggest you to go to Google and search theme in WordPress according to your business blog or your website, and you will find so many themes. Among those themes, you can just take the name of the theme and come and search here. If you don't find that theme here, then another option is given here, that is upload theme. If you are taking a paid theme, you will get a zip file, *zip file I'll show you just now, and that file needs to be installed here. So we'll click on choose file. When we click on choose file, it takes us to ask for that zip file of the theme. See, I have this mhmmagazine.zip file. I'll just select this file and open it. As I open it, I'll click on install now. As I click on install now, it will install it within a minute or so. So it's just installing the theme. If it happens sometimes that while clicking on install and installing the theme, it gives an error that it can't be installed, so don't get afraid. I'll tell you how to tackle that situation. So let's first see whether it is installing or not. It has installed. It's showing theme installed successfully. Okay, and definitely we'll be able to see that theme here. We'll click on theme. And you can see this theme is all here. Now we can just activate this theme and start working. Now, as I promised you, I'll tell you if error occurs or that theme is not installing from this upload theme option, what to do. So in that case, yesterday, as you remember in the last video, we saw the cPanel, right? So this is a cPanel. We are again in the cPanel. To install the theme manually, you have to be in the cPanel. There is an option given file manager here. When I click on file manager, I'll get this kind of file listing. Here I will go to public HTML. Then inside public HTML, I'll go to WP contents. Then I'll go to themes. So this way I'll find the themes. As you can see, this theme is already installed from within. but still I'll show you how to install a theme from here. So we are in the theme folder. Now we will go to the upload option. Upload option will open up this panel where I'll select that file. This file is the same zip file which we selected there. I'll select this file again. Now this file is copying, so this file will automatically get copied in that themes folder. So this copying is done. We'll come back to that folder and we'll try to reload it and see whether it is there. Yes, this file is here. Now as this file is already here, we have installed the theme. I'll just tell you how to do this. Right click this zip file and you will get an option of extract. You extract this file here and it will create a folder same like this MH magazine folder, right? After that, if you want, you can select it and delete it even. So if you don't want, you can keep it here. Now as MH magazine theme is installed manually also, now we'll go back to our dashboard where we'll see the theme, already installed theme. Now we'll just activate this MH magazine theme as we did earlier. It's simple, you have already done that. This MH magazine theme is activated. We will refresh the website and see it looks are changed or not. Looks are changed, it's working, right? Now we'll come to customize this particular theme. So this was how to install the theme in 3 ways. Firstly, the available theme. Secondly, search theme, and if you don't find it, you can add the zip file. And third option, how to install it manually if some error occurs or any theme is not supporting to be installed here. So another option which we'll see in this particular step 2 of installation customization of WordPress theme is customize option. So you can see below appearance there is customize option. We'll click on customize option. Customize option, we'll go step by step on settings. So first option when the customize option opens is for theme options, right? So we'll click the theme options. There are so many theme options. We'll start with journal. In journal theme option you can change the copyright text, like I'll type something else, whatever is here it will be visible already, but as I'll change it with something different. Might be demo blog website. So this is demo blog website. It can be your website name. You can change this also and click on publish. As you do this, see it's changed. Similarly, anything you change here will automatically affect, but you need to publish it. Now we will go to journal layout. Journal layout is a site layout. What kind of site you want, like boxed or white. Box site, which is already here, this box kind of stuff is showing. If I make it white, then this box will not be here. Similarly, number of sidebars, one sidebar. This is a sidebar. You want more than one sidebar, you can click here, position of default sidebar left or right. It is showing in right, you can click it to left also. Widget titles, this is a widget area. This sidebar and the footer bar is called a widget area. Back to top button, this is a back to top button here, blue color button. It is, we keep it enabled. So this was journal layout. Then we go to the header layout. In header layout we can take for transparent header, we can basically choose to select social icons in the bar. We can there is a news ticker, you can see here. We can change the title of that ticker. We can limit the number of posts for home page, and similarly so many options are available. Next option will be post and pages. This is for layout of post and pages. We will be having post and pages in our blog or website, right? So normally whatever default options we are keeping here, we keep it like that only, but any option you want to enable, you can do that. Like author box we enable if you want the author box, and related article if you want to show, we can enable it. If you want post, attachment or navigation, there is a navigation out here, we keep it enabled so that anyone can just click with here and reach out to that particular link menu and navigation part. So this was a layout for post and pages. Then comes post meta. We normally keep it enabled. Meta tags are basically used for SEO. So we keep meta post or enabled. Then topography, you can change the font families, font size and all if you want. Normally along with that particular theme, default settings are given which actually relates to that theme appearance, but you can choose on your own. If you like that, you can change it or keep it, or you can go back to the previous one. But remember the previous initial topography, else if you forget, then you have to either refer to the particular website of the theme where they have given all the settings in detail, or you have to keep it then you will have to uninstall the theme and reinstall it. So that will be there. Next is advertising. You can place the ad content. There is a code given by Google or Facebook or any other such ad website which you can place here, which is generated by them, so that ad displays on your website and you get revenue for that. So that code can be placed here. Next is tracking code to link your website to Google, so that Google is tracking your website and Google SEO is happening in the search engine. You need a tracking code which will be given by Google, and you can place it here. That is a part of SEO. We'll take it later in our SEO sections. And similarly, these are the sections of theme options, and don't get afraid if you don't find any of these options, because these options are in the paid theme. In free theme, normally so many options are not there. In fact, the copyright option in the footer test I showed you is also not there in most of the free themes. But basic website you can create there, and still you have any query and you want to do something and you are not able to achieve it, you can just post me in the comment section. I'll definitely help you, because solution is for everything. Even we can make changes in the code and solve it. So I'll definitely help you out in that. But you don't do it yourself, because if you are not knowing coding. If you know coding, then it's very good, you can do it on your own. And plus we are providing paid premium themes along with the hostings with lot of discount. If you people are interested, we'll give the detail in the detail section. We will give the links. You can just check out if those hostings, the costing suits you. They are also with so many offers. Then you will get a gift from us in which there will be a paid premium theme from us. So it was like that. If you use a paid premium theme, there are so many benefits, so many options you get. All the plugins work perfectly with that. And still, if you don't want that and you're using a free theme, that is okay. You can think of it later on. You can continue with that. So that was theme options. Now we will come to site identity. One more thing I would like to tell you, that sometimes theme option is not there in few themes. So don't worry, there is an option with that theme name in the main menu. When we click this cross and go to the main menu, we'll see a main menu dashboard. There will be the option with the theme name. You can refer to the library of that particular theme. For few themes we have mentioned it in our ebook. You can just check it. There is an option where we have stated how those options in those themes appear other than this theme option. Next comes is site identity. Site identity is an important part. Here you can change the logo, you can remove this logo, you can change the logo, you can change the site title, you can change the tagline. If you click it here, your site title and tagline will be displayed. This is the site title and tagline. If you don't want it here, you will just uncheck it. Next is site icon. Site icon is a .ico file. I'll show you this file. Basically this file is like this, *.ico file is there. So that ICO file, you can take a part of your logo. If your logo is small, you can take a full logo. On Google there are many online apps available which will change your JPG logo file or PNG logo file to ICO file free of cost. So don't worry about that. You can create your ICO file. This ICO logo is always displayed in the top tab of that browser. You can see, like is shown in my blog, there is this icon showing. So this was a site identity. You can change it and you can then click on publish. Then comes the colors. You can change the colors, like I'll show you one. This color I'll change to green. If I change it to green, see this what happens. This color is changed, new sticker color is changed. So you can select different options according to your choice, and moreover you can refer to the particular themes like help which is available on their website, which is showing so many templates. They have arranged those templates according to the different layouts. Whatever layout you like, you can follow that template and accordingly change the colors. So next comes the header image. You can change the header image. Header is where this logo is placed, like I'll show you. This is the header and there is no image behind, it's white. You can even place an image here. Next is background image. Background image is for the background, like in the website this is a box and there is a background behind it. So this background you can change the image of if you don't want to keep it plain. Sometimes people keep it. Next is menus and widgets. Menu is, friends, this is the menu, like this, these all are menus, and widget is these side things which are placed, and even in footer there are so many things which we'll see later on in our later sections. We have described menus and widgets in detail, but before that we need to cover certain more things. We are going step by step. So now comes the homepage settings. Homepage settings is not much. Basically you can select homepage, which page you want to keep as homepage. There might be many pages and you want to keep certain page homepage, you can select it. Post page you can select which will be the post page or your blog page. If you are only keeping blogs, you don't need to change it basically. Next, last one is additional CSS settings. Anyone who is knowing coding and having knowledge of CSS, it's of use for those people, not others, and they can do some changes with placing some CSS code here that can be easily found over Google, or if they have knowledge they can create it. So that is something additional. You don't need it normally to change anything in this. So friends, this was changing your theme, installing theme with 3 different ways, and then changing the appearance and customize the theme. So you might find difference in themes for these options, but mostly these are same. If you find any problem, you can post in my comment section. I'll definitely help you with that if you are facing some problem. So that was all in our today's video. Keep watching our further videos, because next section is for installing plugins, that is step 3, and do refer the ebook definitely, because that will help you a lot. So in next section, don't miss it. It is for plugins. We will tell you what plugins are important. We will list you those plugins and we will tell you how to install those plugins. Even we will tell you how to configure those plugins. So that was all for today. Hope you like this session. Thank you and goodbye.